These are our boarding pass. This is the bus that is taking us. Welcome back to the channel, and it's good to have you all back here today. It's that time that we hit the road again, and guess what, guys? We are going to the northern part of Ghana. So right now we are already leaving Accra, heading to northern Ghana, Tamale, and we're already at the park. We have our ticket here. We got it yesterday, so we got a ticket for 210 Ghana cedis. So for both of us, that's 420 Ghana cedis. And I think they're already loading the bus already. The buses that are going to Tamale. And I said we have to pay 5 cedis for the luggage now. This is where they weigh the luggage. No, they've already weighed. They wrote it already, and that's where they check the distance, the kg. We are using STC for transport, and they wrote it there where your luggage is. So that's where you pay for the luggage. Guys, it's written here the luggages that you cannot take with you. No person should travel in any of the operating vehicles if that person has in his or her possession any of these following: cigarettes, tramadol, illegal drugs, weed. So that's why it feels right there for the luggage. They even give receipt.
You know when he said 100?
It's also it's government transport company.
Yeah, okay.
It's owned by, so this transport company is owned by the government. It belongs to the state.
Yes, state transport.
Oh, state transport company. Ghanaian state. That's good to know. Is FTC that have this?
The best safety record.
Oh, the best safety record in Ghana. So you guys can see this is our ticket. This is mine. This is my seat number, and this is for Faith. 28.
You done?
Tags.
That's one different.
Okay.
Me and my brother. There's
We
more.
are putting the tags on our bag so they can recognize our bag. And this is the third one. It's time to load the bags. Cockroach from your bag. What is the bus that is taking us to Tamale? That one has their name on it, coming over there. I think that's the driver. I don't know. They are going to check my ticket.
What is it?
We are two. This for me, this for my friend.
So why the second person?
She stays with the load there for her
Go
to.
for boarding pass. Go to the other side for boarding pass.
Okay, they said I have to go to somewhere for boarding pass. I don't know what that is. Okay. Hello. This is the longest journey I'll be embarking. Like so far in my life. 16 hours. So let's assume that they leave at 3 p.m. which I don't think is possible because it's almost 3 already. So let's say they leave by 3:30. We'll get to Tamale tomorrow morning. I think maybe around 4 a.m. or so. Mr. Marcos just told me that it's 16 hours journey. That's really long. Let's see how it goes. I'm still waiting for the rest that wants to do a boarding pass. Thank you.
Yeah, your boarding pass.
These are our boarding pass. I'm going to meet Miss Accra. I'm going to meet Mr. Marcus. Mr. Marcus, thank you so much. You better follow Mr. Marcus home. Thank you.
Hello.
Guys, we are still here. We have not left. We just Mr. Marcus off now. They said we should wait a bit, that they want to change the bus, that everybody inside the bus that is taking us to Tamale should come down, that they want to change the bus because the air condition in that bus is not working. So now we are going back to the place to go check if they've changed it and if we are ready to move. So let's see you guys inside the bus. Guys, we are inside the bus already. This is what inside the bus looks like. So let's embark on this very long journey to Tamale. I like these seats that they give me. So that's my Ghana witch over there. Don't worry, I'll be back very soon. But for now, let's go up north. They said it got free by 3 and this is almost 4 p.m. This is 3:40 already. We are still here. I don't know what they are doing though. I just hope they move as soon as possible. So we're already like a car and now to Tamale. Ooh, bye bye Accra. Guys, this journey has been a roller coaster. The bus have been stopping like every 10 minutes. And someone went to use the toilet now. We can't find it. We don't even know where it is. Oh, it's here. Thank you, Jesus. Guys, we've not even gone anywhere. We never even walk out far. And we've been stopping. At first, it was someone that we left behind. We have to wait for the person to come and meet us where we parked. Now, someone went to shit. But it's not, shall we find? The time is already 7:30 and we are still in Accra. We are here to get something. They stop for people to come down to get food and do whatever get food, get drink, whatever it is that you want to get before we continue the journey. I don't even know if we really want to get anything because Faith is scared. She says she doesn't want to start having running stomach inside the car. So they have different varieties of food here, a lot, and drinks. I think the minimum food that they have here is just city, and that's fried rice. Seriously, I'm tired of sitting. I can't even lie. And we are not able to sit after today because we are not yet at Kumasi. We have some people that are going to Kumasi inside the bus and the car has not parked, they drop them that we are now in Kumasi. I don't even know where we are right now. It looks like a complete bush and the time is already past 12 a.m. I'm just enjoying the ride. I already slept a little. My eyes should be so late. Yeah, my eyes is a little bit silly. See that they give us. I love it. I think with me and my friend we are enjoying. I can even stretch my leg. Yeah. We've been watching movies since. It just made the movie that we were watching. Guys, it's 1 a.m. already and we just got to Kumasi. People are highlighting from inside the bus at Kumasi. Yes, oh, it's not showing. I'm so sorry that they wrote Kumasi there. Kumasi. Oh my. It's so good to finally get to see the popular Kumasi that I do hear about. We have a quick stop at their station in Tamale, Kumasi. So they gave us like 15 minutes to calm down, stretch our legs, and get anything that we want to get. See my friend, she's sleeping. Look at her. Here's the corner that she can. Some people dropped already, so they are some space inside the bus that we just occupy to relax a little bit. At least that also helps me to be able to stretch my legs here since she's already at the back. Kumasi is really a big place. We've been moving around this place since, and it does not even look like we are close to getting out of Kumasi. It's so vibrant and beautiful. I really wish it was during the day that we passed here. I would have really loved to see, how nice this place is. Those city lights. Morning, guys. Good morning. Ah, the time is 6:42 a.m. It seems we are getting closer than I think. Finally, we are in Tamale. That's such a long drive. Time enter. How many hours do you spend at the end of the day? I think we spend more than 15 hours. We left Accra around 7, no, around 5:10. And it's like 10 a.m. Ooh, let's go. We gotta move. Ooh. So our bus is already empty. This is the bus that brought us. And it's so good to be here in Tamale. Ooh.